Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can generate like this video.
Subscribe to turn that system and bell to stay updated. Let's get started. Welcome to Go ICT Academy. Subscribe to turn that system and bell to stay updated. Let's get started.
Yes, this video is created by just using Grok AI. Let me show you step by step how you can create it in just a simple and in just few seconds, right? So what you need to do is just come and search for ChatGPT like this one, as you see. Then here, after getting ChatGPT, you can now ask it to generate script. Generate script that encourages audiences to subscribe my channel, which is Grok AI Academy, like this one, so that I can paste it in Grok AI, like this one. What you do is just to send this request to a ChatGPT, then ChatGPT creates your script here, right? You see there are different scripts. This is option number 1. You can use this. You can also use this one. Also use this one. ChatGPT tries to create more than one script, so for you can just select one you want, right? For example, let us select this one. What you do is just to select this script like this one, then come and search for Grok AI. You can just write www.grok like this one .com login. If you have an account, you just make login, but if you don't have it, you just need to create an account before login, right? Then after reaching here, what you do now is just to go on this imagine icon, because as you see, for me, I'm already logged in because this is my email. But for you, if you are first time that you are going to use this AI, you should first of all create an account, right? But it's just simple. What you need to do is just to use your Google email, right? So after getting here, as I already said, we need to come and click on imagine here, you see. Then after clicking on imagine, now we come and paste our script here, right? Like this one. Just paste and then send. After sending here, we will get different options and we will select the best to use for us based on what we want. Just simple in just a few moments, right? And this is very important tool for YouTube content creators. As you see, it tries to create different. Which image do you want to prefer to keep? Here they are asking me to select the image that I can use. If you want, you can upload your image, but for us, we didn't upload it. Let us select this one. Yes, and now we can just play this one. Now it's generating our video, right? So let us wait a little bit for this generation and see how it will look like. Yes, as you see, it's now done. You see, let us play it and show you how it looks like.
Your future starts with one click. Subscribe now. Join us and unlock your potential today.
You see?
Hey everyone, welcome to Go ICT Academy. Your future starts with one click. Subscribe now. Join us and unlock your potential today. Hey everyone.
Guys, as you see, it's just a simple tool that creates very attractive video. You can just create one full video if you want it. Here I just recommend it and request it to use or to create a short video, but if you want, you can also download it by clicking here on this download icon, right? And wait a little bit, right? Then after downloading this video, you can use it independently in your full video, right? As you see, it's now already downloaded. I can now go and play it. Let me show you how it looks like now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Go ICT Academy. Your future starts with one click. Subscribe now. Join us and unlock your potential today.
You see? Now this is our video that already downloaded, right? So thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can also run with us in this digital era.